Hey guys, it's Liz of Crafty Inked Girl. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today I am doing a plan with me for the week of 4th of July using this stunning kit from Sadie Stickers that has a pixie dust hollow foil, and I am just in love with it. I have never used that kind of foil before, and it is just perfect for this week. And I have these pixie dust hollow page toppers from Planner Pixie Co that I thought would match perfectly, and I am so excited to use it. I'm thinking I'm going to pull in some regular silver foil for this kit because I don't have too many hollow icons, which is surprising because it is my favorite foil, but I think the silver will still look nice. So I'm going to go ahead and white everything out, and I'll be back in a moment. So I have a bunch of questions from Instagram to answer today. I will get through as many of them as I can, and if there's any left, I will answer those in my next plan with me. But if you have any questions about what I'm doing or about the stickers, please comment down below and I will, of course, answer them. So I am going to just get right into it. My first question comes with Ashley of Plans with Ash. She asked, if you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be? Well, I'm going with my gut right now. I have been totally addicted to waffles and ice cream, specifically chocolate chip waffles with mint chip ice cream. I could eat it every single day, and there actually have been a couple of weeks where I did eat it almost every single day until the tub of ice cream was finished. That was my boyfriend's genius concoction for dessert one night, and we've been hooked on it ever since. And right now, I'm totally obsessed with it. So I could see myself eating that every day, all the time. So waffles and ice cream is my answer to that. I have 3 questions from my good friend Tiff of Tiff's Planet. Her first question is, what was the first YouTube Plan With Me you watched? If I remember correctly, the first Plan With Me I ever watched was from Taylor of Tattoo Teacher Plans. I believe I found her channel sometime in the late summer or early fall last year because I was using a horizontal planner for 2019, which was a big change for me. I'm normally a vertical planner, but I made the switch to a horizontal because I thought that I wanted more room to write, but I realized that I really couldn't decorate as much as I did in a vertical planner, and it just didn't suit my planning style, which leads me to Tiff's second question, which is, what do you feel your planning style is? So anyway, I went on YouTube because I wanted to get some inspiration because I was feeling like I wanted to switch back to the vertical planner for 2020, which I obviously did, and I wanted to get some ideas of how people were doing their spreads these days, what stickers were out there, and so I found her channel, and after that it was kind of down the rabbit hole because I found so many other great channels and so much inspiration, and I definitely feel like my planning style is more on the decorative side. Obviously, I love getting up my kit. I love laying down the foundation. I put down my washi and all of the headers, the full boxes. I do my sidebar, and then about twice a week I will work in this planner to fill in my day by day, whereas on a daily basis, I work in my petite planner and I write everything down for each day, what I'm doing, anything that I need to remember, and so on and so forth. And then I refer back to that to fill in my vertical planner and do my Plan With Me videos now. So I hope that answers that question about what I feel my planning style is. And then Tiff's last question is top 3 favorite sticker shops so far. Oh my god, girl, why must you torture me and make me pick just 3 shops. That's like near impossible. There are so many incredible shops out there that I absolutely love so much, and I have been shopping from some of them for quite some time. So what I am going to say is my favorite shop for foiled kits is probably Sadie Stickers. I absolutely love how she foils. I think it is so dainty and delicate, and it's not overdone. And I have purchased from her so many times that I know the quality of her stickers and her kits and her foiling, and it's very consistent, and I consistently love working with her kits, as I am doing right now. I would say my favorite shop for non-foiled and super affordable kits that come jam-packed would be Planner Pixie Co. If you've watched my hauls, you see I usually have stuff from Randy in every single haul, and I love her kits. They're so much fun. Her colors are always so nice and vibrant on her stickers, and they are always on sale when she has a new release, which makes them extra affordable when you're picking something up the first weekend that it's out. And then I would say for my third favorite shop, I'm going to go with Kinsey's Creations for scripts. She's definitely my favorite shop for scripts. I have bought more scripts from her than anybody else, and they are pretty much the ones I use exclusively in my spreads. I very rarely use any other scripts but hers. So that would be my top 3 for right now is Sadie Stickers, Planner Pixie Co., and Kinsey's Creations. My next 3 questions come from my friend Tay of Shantae Plans. Her first question is, if you could meet one actor in person, who would it be? I have never been the kind of person that like thinks about that kind of stuff, but one person, celebrity that I say all the time that I would love to meet in person is Ellen DeGeneres. I don't know what it is about her, but I love her personality. I love the messages that she puts out. I think she is a kind soul. I think she is a genuine person, and I would love to see her in person and know if that is what she's really like. So that would be the one person I would love to meet. Her next question is, do you prefer icons on clear or white paper? I definitely prefer them on white paper. I started with icons on clear paper, and then when I started doing more layering with stickers and trying different styles as I'm putting things down, I realized that icons on white paper is just so much more user friendly for me, because I like to have that contrast between the icon and whatever it is I might be putting it over. So yeah, so definitely icons on white paper for sure. And her next question is salty or sugary snacks. Oh my. Another question that's like pure torture to answer because I love both. I'm the kind of girl that eats a salty snack and then needs to have something sugary right after it, or vice versa. So if I have chips, then I need something sweet. If I have something sweet, then I want something salty. One of my ideal snacks is actually chocolate covered pretzels because you get sweet and salty together right there. So I don't know if I could actually pick just one. So I'm going to say sweet and salty together. So yeah, that's it. That's my answer, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, so now I have a bunch of questions from the diabolical mind of my friend Gabby of Alohomora Planner. Some of these questions are super easy, and some of these questions are like, oh my god, how are you torturing me with these questions? So the first couple are easy: peanut butter or jelly. Definitely peanut butter, and if it's chunky peanut butter, even better. Red wine or white wine? definitely red wine, but I'm really not a drinker. Like, I might have a glass of wine once or twice a year. I really, really don't drink all that much. I get migraines very easily, so alcohol really affects my head, and I also just, I don't have the taste buds. So if I am drinking wine, more times than not, I prefer red. Every now and again, I'll have a glass of white, but I definitely like red wine better if I have a choice. All right, next question is, if you had to use only one color foil for the rest of the time, which would it be? I, even though hollow is probably my absolute favorite foil overall, I think I am going to say silver because it's more neutral, and I think silver can kind of go with everything. I love all the foils, so it's really hard to pick, but I think silver would probably be the best choice for me, and the color kits that I typically go with, I just think that it would match pretty much anything. So silver is my answer, and I'm sticking to it. Our next question is cats or dogs? Another torturous question because I love both cats and dogs. I've had both cats and dogs almost my whole life. I currently have a dog, and I'm gonna say if I ever needed or wanted to get another pet, I would probably sooner get another dog than a cat because they really, I don't know. I don't know. My dog spends so much time with me. But then again, one of my cats, who I had for 16 years, he was so much like a dog and he was attached to me all the time. He was the super sweetest thing. And I always said he was a dog in a cat suit because he really, really did so many dog like things. But I don't know. And cats are really easy. They're so low maintenance, but no, I think overall I would probably pick dog because you could take dogs with you, and there's just so many things you could do with dogs that you can't do with cats. So dog is my final answer, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, so then she asked savory or sweet, which I kind of already answered from Taya's question. Um, let's see. Next. Oh boy, this is where we get into some of the crazy questions, and I fear there are no good answers to some of these. Would you rather be always sticky or always itchy for the rest of your life? I hate feeling sticky so much. Like in the summertime when it's hot and your skin is sweaty, like I could take showers 3 times a day because I just can't stand having sticky feeling skin. So I think that I am going to say itchy. I don't want to be itchy for the rest of my life, but I feel there are things that you could do to help with being itchy more so than things you could do to help with being sticky. But then again, if you just shower constantly and put baby powder on, then that might combat the stickiness. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, you know what? I think if I could shower multiple times a day and use baby powder and things like that to combat being sticky, then I think I will go with sticky over itchy. And that's my final answer. Okay, next question. Would you rather only be able to wear wet socks year round or not wash your hair for a year? Okay, I have no desire to wear wet socks year round, but I cannot deal with dirty hair. Just no. No, no, and no. My hair is very fine and it can get a little oily if I don't wash it for a day or two. So I do not want to know what my hair would be like if I didn't wash it for a whole year. Ugh, No. So I will go with wet socks. As uncomfortable as that would be, I will definitely go with wet socks. Okay, next question. Would, would you rather sweat thick mayo or poop a regulation size softball? Um, Gabby, what the hell? Um, I don't even know how to answer that. Um, I think I'd rather sweat thick mayo and just wash it right off. I don't know, but yeah, I think so. And then yeah, we have another wacky question that I fear there is no good answer to this, and there is no way to come out of this question looking good, but I'm going to answer it anyway. Would you rather eat chocolate flavored poop or poop flavored chocolate? Come on. I mean, I I have no desire to eat poop flavored chocolate, but for the sake of knowing that I'm eating chocolate that tastes like poop, instead of eating poop that tastes like chocolate, it's kind of like the the every flavored beans from Harry Potter. They're still jelly beans, but they might taste like earwax or whatever they've mentioned in Harry Potter. I would definitely rather eat chocolate, knowing I'm eating chocolate, and have it taste a little like poop than know that I'm eating poop, even if it tastes like chocolate, because ugh, I can't. I can't even deal. Uh, and her last question, which is good timing because we are coming to the end here, is would you rather have fingers as long as your legs or legs as long as your fingers? That's just so weird. I don't even know, but my gut instinct is that I would rather have fingers as long as my legs. I don't know why. I just don't want really short legs. So that's my last question. So here is my completed spread. I absolutely love how this turned out. I will give a viv wiggle here so you could see all of that gorgeous hollow foil. I really, really love red, white, and blue patriotic spreads for 4th of July, and I am so happy that I used this Sadie stickers kit. I wish that I had put the bigger bow checklist on the sidebar for my Happy Mail because I got so much Happy Mail that I couldn't even fill it all in. And I'm really proud of myself because I did stick to my no spend for 5 out of the 7 days this week, and I really didn't even spend all that much on the 2 days that I did make purchases. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will link all shops used in the description below. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.